savings account online in about 5 minutes. This is Banking Reimagined. Capital One. What's in your wallet? Uber reminder, terms apply. Capital One NA member FDIC.
I'm Devin Leary, and I'm Carolina Barlow, and we have lost so much to our failed romantic relationships. We're talking time, money, mental health capacity, clothes, Starbucks rewards points, insurance premiums, dignity, even flat screen TV. Now we're making advertisers pay us to record podcasts with us about it because fair is fair, folks. iHeartRadio is #1 for podcasts, and it's easy to see why. Find True Romance on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your podcasts.
iHeartRadio is the easiest app for music and radio. Download the free iHeartRadio app today.
Bringing the best bumper music in the history. I think that was Rush's innovation, the way he uses bumper music to change talk radio. Todd Herman filling in for Rush Limbaugh, 800-282-2882. I know Rush appreciates your notes at rushlimbaugh.com. The encouragement as he continues to beat cancer up. Well, it's just a huge range we talk about on the show, and I just want to make sure that we're all on the same page. We're asking Republicans to get really good on a national and a local basis, saying, here's the chaos and the communism that's being forced down capricious 3 T's by Democrats. Here's what it is. This is what they want for you too. This is what they want for all of us. This is what they're letting happen, because they are letting it happen. Right? In these cities, they can stop it, they won't. They won't let the cops do it. This is the reality of what they're willing to do to our country. Then, to get very good on the COVID front, one thing, one message. Kids are not at risk. They're not going to give it to teachers. There's massive scientific backup on that. Massive. 5 to 7 studies from across different cultures. One of them is the New England Journal of Medicine. Okay? They need to get good at saying to Democrats, why are you lying about this? Also, we need to get very, very crisp on this. Separate the unambiguous moral certainty that all Black lives matter. Embryos, cops, college students, kids, whatever. That's a terrible thing, whatever, whoever. But we cannot support this violent, terrorist-led, Marxist group called Black Lives Matter Incorporated. You must separate the two issues. Or you lose. These are things Republicans have to have on the tip of their tongues and be willing to say. Let's talk to Dave in Surprise, Arizona. Dave, you're on the Rush Limbaugh program. It's Todd Herman filling in. Hi, Dave.
Thank you so much for taking my call. First of all, many prayers to the great one.
Indeed. Amen.
Yeah, the thing I wanted to bring up was everybody talks about the national election. I think that down ballots are important too, but I don't see how this Marxist revolution stops on November 4th when President Trump is reelected. That's my concern. This 10% of the population is still just going to riot, burn things to the ground.
Yeah, and what you're saying is so important for people to understand. They're marching down a path, and the path is a Maoist path. They're at stage 2 of Mao's rules for insurrections. That is that they're trying to take government property. These are written down. I'm not guessing at these. So Mao had these rules for insurrections, and it starts hearts and minds and turning people against the government, turning people against society. Then it's the taking of government property and then the keeping of it. The stage 3 is actual conventional warfare in the streets. So this isn't going away, and it is a generational thing. People are ideologically demoralized. They don't know how to defend their country. We have to teach little babies to 1-year-olds to 2-year-olds the truth of America, and that's why Rush's books are so important. Truly they are, because it's about teaching the truth of America, also showing examples of other countries, traveling with our kids, showing them this is what can happen when you let a government go out of control, because it's a generational thing. The good news is, Dave, we know this. The good news is we can be the generation who starts this, and if it's not with our kids, it's with the grandkids. But you're exactly right to see that it's not going away. But you're not saying the election's not important.
No, the election is definitely important. I think we just also need to focus on down ballots. School boards, DAs,
oh my goodness,
as equally important as the guy at the top of the ticket. And I know in Arizona, I see nothing for Martha McSally she's supposed to be in one of the hottest contested Senate races. They have yet to put up a yard sign or a banner for her in the whole state.
And what you're saying about down ballots, the battle is in the school boards now. And Dave, you're absolutely right. The sex ed that's being pushed into the schools, I invite you to investigate something called comprehensive sex education and teaching kids things I won't mention on Rush's show. I don't feel okay with it. But things that I guarantee you would have to look up the names of sex acts they want to teach kids in school, starting at 4 or 5 years old with the joys of self-touch at 4 or 5 years old. They want to teach these things. And it is expressed in a way that they say, use sex ed as a tool for social change. That's how hardcore the left is, particularly the sexual left, of removing the innocence of childhood so that they can destabilize the families. So it's a great call, Dave. Thanks for calling in from Arizona. Bill from Santa Cruz, California. You're on the Rush Limbaugh program. Bill, I want to thank you for calling Rush's show. Santa Cruz, California, my old stomping grounds. Hi, Bill.
You got it. It's beautiful. Everything's fine here. We're praying for Rush.
Right.
I just wanted to bring up the point that I think we're looking too short term with this whole thing going on. We have to look at the history of how the socialists are trying to come through the United States and make us a socialist country. It started way back when, 150 years ago, in Europe, and we're seeing it today. And the problem, Russia's talked about this problem, there's diversions. Have you ever played snowball fights? And where the kid across the street throws the snowball way up in the air, and while you're watching, the snowball nails you with a fastball?
Yeah.
Well, that's what's happening politically. The leftists are throwing these real high snowballs, but what they're really doing is they're attacking our society and seeing where the soft spots are. They've already given up this election. They already know they're going to lose. The bottom line is that these people are just testing the waters. How far can we push the American people before they come out of their Netflix homes and start actually pushing back what we're doing in the streets? There's 80% of us are out here just wanting to go out into the streets and say, okay, there's no police here, we're here. Now
So
what are you going to do? So anyway,
we're up against a break because I'd love to let you go. We're up against a break. I'm going to respond when we come back. Bill, that was a fantastic call from Santa Cruz. I'll respond to this when we get back. It's Todd Herman filling in for Rush Limbaugh on the EIB Network.
You're listening to the EIB Network. Use Radio 920 and 104.7.